I'm going to load information from a text file into a rich edit. Okay, so I'm going to take all this information and I'm going to display it in a rich edit. When I click on the button, it will display all that information. Okay, first thing is I'm going to declare a new variable with the data type is a text file. Then I'm going to test whether the file exists, the foods.txt. I saved my text file in the same folder as my program. Okay, that just makes it easier, otherwise I must specify the path of the file, like C drive or wherever it may be saved. Okay, remember its file exists, so if it's not true, I'm going to show a message file not found and I'm going to exit. I'm not going to run the rest of the coding. Okay, then next one, assign file. I'm taking that text file and I'm assigning it to my variable. Then I'm going to reset my file. Basically it's going to open my text file and prepare it to be read. Okay, then while not end the file, my file is going to start the loop, start to run through this whole text file. The while will basically stop when we reach the end of the file. So it's going to read one line out of my file. I'm going to read one line out of my file and it's going to save it in S1 line. Okay, then I'm going to do some string handling. I'm going to get the position of the comma, S1 line, and I'm going to say an I pause. Then I'm going to copy from the first character to the position of I pause -1. So I'm only going to copy the description of the item. Okay, then I'm going to save that in S name. And the next one is I'm going to delete from the first character, from the first one, to the position of I pause, which is the comma. I'm just going to delete everything, and so the amount of 6 will be left in S1 line. Okay. Then I'm going to validate that number. I'm going to try to put it in a variable inum. If it's successful, it will be 0, otherwise it will have a value bigger than 0. And then you can just show message file not found, something like not a valid integer number, and then you can stop the program from running, and then you can display the S name, which is the description, is equals to S1 line, which will be the amount that is left. And the last thing is you can close file, my file. Don't just say close file, make sure you say my file. You must specify which file do you want to close, and then it will display everything in your rich edit.